Hello everyone, guys, Thomas Crollo here, coming to you live from Las Vegas. Well, anyway, today is, I don't know, why am I looking so happy when we are potentially seeing a very grim situation still looming over XRP because SEC is not letting go, and a lot of people are saying that it's about time for us to dump XRP because the tides are about to turn and the tables are about to turn for XRP, and what we saw, all of this pump is about to come to the end. So I just had decided to make this emergency video to talk to you about whether this is true or it's actually all just a bunch of nonsense. So let's talk about XRP and let's just put a nail in this coffin one last time. So let's go over everything that is happening. And before we do, let's quickly talk about Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, as you can see, hasn't been doing a whole lot. And actually, today we got supported by this support, which actually has been very strong for us, and now we bounced off of a resistance which used to be our support. So in other words, the volatility is shrinking. So guys, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, if you haven't seen them, please check them out. And always watch my videos from the beginning and until the end. And certainly, please, if you're brand new to the channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I make a new upload, and like the video and hit that. And also call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments because I'm coming in live from Las Vegas. Instead of being at the blackjack table, I'm here making a video for you guys. So I honestly hope that you guys appreciate it. And if you do, hit that like button, and thank you very much in advance. So basically, it's like the volatility is about to go absolutely parabolic, but for now it's just teasing us. So for me, I'm not budging, I'm not changing my stance. Like, my long trade is still there, all my orders, if we're gonna just have a flash crash lower all the way down to 27,000, I have my orders ready to be increasing my long position. So now, when it comes to XRP, so let's go to XRP before we talk about all the news and as to what is happening, what SEC decided to do. Let's take a look at the price action, and the price action is actually relatively strong right now. We actually pumped from 47 cents all the way to the 95 cents, and right now we are just in a correction phase, and we're consolidating. Not even a correction phase for now, I would say it's a consolidation phase above 70 cents. And why is 70 cents? The area of 67 to 72 is very important for us. And this, in my opinion, just technically, before we again move to fundamentals, technically this is very important for me, in my opinion, because this is what has been a very incredibly important order block for us, just historically, as you can see right here. And we actually closed above this area with quite a good amount of volume, considering it's a bear market and liquidity has dried up quite a bit. So therefore, as long as we're still hovering above this order block right here, and the volume is actually coming in yet again, so there is a lot of trading happening here. So then, therefore, also a lot of support that we are seeing right now. So for now, as long as we stay above 67, technically we are okay. So now let's talk about the fundamentals and as to why a lot of people are saying that dump XRP because everything is about to change. So SEC is signaling an appeal in the Ripple case. So they're saying that, listen, all of this is nonsense, Judge Torres knows nothing, and we're gonna be potentially appealing this. And they were actually, SEC asked Judge Torres to reconsider, to just go back to the drawing board and take a look at it, and just to make sure she didn't miss anything. And guys, I mean, number one, like, right off the bat, so 3 years down the road, 3 years, it wasn't 3 weeks or 3 months, it's been 3 years. And the decision was made. What are the chances that the judge is going to be, oh yeah, definitely, oh, you know, yeah, I probably missed some, like, I mean, what? Okay, but anyway, besides this, what is happening, and what the SEC is saying, is that the watchdog, SEC, is arguing the decision fails to reflect existing securities regulations. So Gary Gensler is a bit sour, you know, and he is cornered right now, and I think he's going to be replaced because he is just done. But anyway, in a fresh filing against the Terraform Labs and the former Terra Luna CEO Kwon, the regulator has said. So before I read what the regulator said, what is happening right now with Kwon is that, you know, he came out and he said, oh, so if XRP is not a security, then actually neither was Terra Luna, so therefore I'm not supposed to be going to jail. So this is funny. This is what Kwon has just pulled in here, and in my opinion, it's a big difference. And so, actually, what is happening here, so SEC is just saying, like, look, it's setting a precedent, like, people like Kwon can use this now. And, you know, quite frankly, I think that there is a big difference between Terra Luna and XRP. Let me know in the comments if you agree. But besides this is besides the point. This is just my opinion. Now, what the regulator, SEC, has said is that Ripple creates an artificial distinction between the expectations of sophisticated institutional and retail investors, improperly transforms Howey's reasonable investor inquiry. So basically, they're trying to claim that the Judge Torres misunderstands and misappropriated the term, the actual Howey test itself, and so that it's actually transforms the Howey reasonable investor inquiry into a subjective one. So therefore, this is like their argument and turns on its head the reasoning underlying Howey and other cases, blah blah blah. So basically what they were saying is that they're just pushing into the same direction. So would I personally sell my XRP right now, because potentially SEC would actually appeal? And I would be honestly surprised if they didn't. Of course, Gary Gensler and SEC, they're applying to Congress right now for an additional $70 million in funding, which, to be honest, is a waste of money, so they might not get it at all. But knowing SEC and what they're doing, I don't see Gary Gensler throwing in the towel, except for him just resigning and him being removed. So it is just, in my opinion, normal for them to actually appeal this. And even if they do, guys, the whole case took 3 years. How much longer do you think it's gonna, drag on in terms of appeals, Supreme Court? Because there is many, places where, the SEC can actually take this case higher, just like the court system of the United States. It's infinite. There are so many different stages. Like me, I was studying to become a lawyer in US. I know the Constitution, all these amendments, and also different the jurisdictions and, different court system, the whole court system. So, and it's huge. So therefore, this can drag on for much, much longer. But the thing is that Ripple doesn't care, because it got relisted everywhere and they can keep fighting. They already won. So anything that comes afterwards, number one, it probably will not work and nothing is going to get overturned, because I'm pretty sure that they spent enough time on this decision alone. And number two is that it is just gonna take too much time. So I wouldn't really care about this. And for this reason, I think that XRP is still at least trying to hover above this area, technically, that I've just mentioned. Guys, for this Bitcoin trade, I'm gonna keep you updated, so subscribe. And certainly if you want to trade on an exchange that you can actually trust, remember to use my link down in the description of this video to Bybit, and you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses, take part in crazy giveaways for the community, and also get my paid crypto course, investing course, for free. And you can claim it in my Discord. There is a link in the description of this video, and all deposited users get access to my Crypto Signals community for absolutely free for a lifetime. Again, it's the same Discord, the same Crypto Signals link down in the description of this video. And check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. You're gonna learn a lot if you think you know how to trade. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Krallo. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.